Welcome to the future of craftsmanship, where technology meets tradition in the modern DIY workshop. Here, enthusiasts from all walks of life come together to create, innovate, and share skills. 3D printers are revolutionizing how we design and build, turning digital dreams into tangible realities. CNC machines bring unmatched precision, carving out intricate designs with the push of a button. Laser cutters add a touch of finesse, etching detailed patterns and textures on various materials. Collaboration is key, as knowledge and ideas merge to build innovative projects like this robotic arm. The results? Stunning. From drones to custom guitars, the possibilities are limitless. It's not just about tools and tech, but also the spirit of community, sharing, and learning. This is where tradition meets tomorrow. Welcome to the high-tech DIY workshop, the new frontier of craftsmanship. Join us in this journey of innovation and creativity. Subscribe for more, and discover a workshop near you.